Okay, so here we are in Volkswagen Polo 6R, and the problem is our fan is not working at the speed of 1, 2, 3, and at 4, which is the maximum speed, our fan is working. And for the lower speed levels, it's basically not working at all. The problem is coming from the fan resistors, or the resistors used in the regulating the speed of 1, 2, and 3. These are somehow damaged or burned or not working as they should, and only the highest speed, which is 4, which is working. And this is because at the highest speed or maximum speed, there is no resistor. There is a direct connection from the battery to the fan. That's why the only high speed fan is working, and 1, 2, and 3, this regulated speeds, they are not working. So in this video we will change the fan resistors and replace them with a new one, so that, and we will see, and after that will it work. So basically the reason that why the fan resistors fail is due to temperature reasons or some other, it can be any other reasons as well, like old resistors, or for some reason there is a current, too high current flowing through those resistors, which burn them out as well. So there can be many reasons. So if it's happened over and over again, so you might need to check the underlying problem, that why it's happening again and again. But if it's once or happening after like quite couple of years, then it can be due to also the temperature and the like normal failures. Okay, and this is a replacement resistor for interior blower, and this you can get for a couple of bucks, like 20 bucks or so, which fits with your car. You have to search for a matching one, and then so we will replace this one with the old one. The resistors are located under the glove box compartment, or behind this glove box compartment. We will open and unscrew this glove box, and then we'll find the blower resistors somewhere in this region for this car. Okay, let's do it. So now that we replaced our blower resistor, we assemble it back in the glove box, and now we can try whether it's working or not. Let's turn on the car and let's close the door. So number one, maybe you can't hear, but let's try number two. Yeah, so it's working. So we just simply change the blower resistor and now all the speeds are working again. Yeah, just a few suggestions regarding changing the blower resistor. So it's very tiny and hard to reach place, so my advice would be to remove the wires from the old resistor. I suggest that you take out the resistor a little bit outside so that you can reach the wires connections. It's basically a clip which you just have to press, and then the socket comes out. And to put back in the new resistor, I would suggest to put back into the place, and then after it's inside, and then one can connect the wires. So this, I figure out that would be an easy way to do this. So good luck with that. Bye.